Friends, welcome to the stock market patasala. Today, we are discussing trend line analysis in the stock market and how to identify the trends graph in the market. Analyzing trend lines in the stock market involves understanding the direction of price movements over time, which can help identify trends and predict future price behavior. Here's a step-by-step guide to analyzing trend lines, including graph analysis. 1. Understand trend lines. Trend lines are straight lines drawn on a stock chart to connect price points. Uptrend connects higher lows, indicating bullish momentum. Downtrend connects lower highs, indicating bearish momentum. Sideways trend, horizontal lines indicating consolidation or lack of direction. 2. Gather tools. Charting software, use tools like TradingView, Yahoo Finance, or broker-provided platforms. Indicators, optional moving averages, RSI, and MACD can complement trendline analysis. 3. Identify key points. Locate the chart's swing highs, peaks, and swing lows, troughs. Focus on significant, sustained price movements, ignoring minor fluctuations. 4. Draw trend lines. For uptrends, connect at least to higher lows. For downtrends, connect at least to lower highs. Could you extend the line to project future price levels? 5. Validate the trend line. Could you make sure the price respects the trend line multiple times, acts as support or resistance? The more touches a trend line has, the more reliable it is. 6. Analyze breakouts. Breakouts, when the price crosses a trend line, it could signal a trend reversal or continuation. Use volume as confirmation. Higher volume during a breakout often validates the move. 7. Combine with indicators. Use indicators like Relative Strength Index RSI to spot overbought or oversold conditions. Moving averages for dynamic support resistance levels. Fibonacci retracement to identify potential reversal levels. 8. Practice with real data. Start with historical data to spot trends and assess the accuracy of your analysis. Analyze different time frames, daily, weekly, or intraday, for broader or narrower perspectives. This information is useful. Please like and share the video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Telegram channel for daily more updates.